Hello guys, welcome back to F Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to reset your Midea dishwasher. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, there are going to be two things that you could try doing here. So first thing that you could try doing is you may want to self-reset your Midea dishwasher. So first thing that you need to do is you want to turn on your dishwasher here, and if a program is running here, you want to locate the start button. So it may also have a cancel label under it. But yeah, you want to go ahead and just press and hold that start button for about 3 seconds, and this should stop the current cycle and reset the dishwasher. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you may want to try doing here is you may want to do a hard reset. So that involves you unplugging your dishwasher from the power source. So if you can reach power cord or the actual plug for it, you want to turn off the circuit breaker that supplies power to the dishwasher. Now, you want to leave this unplugged or without power for about 10 minutes or more if you can, and turn the power back on once it's actually up. So you want to plug it or switch the circuit breaker back on. Now, try running or turning on the dishwasher again, and it should start working. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.